In this video we're going to be removing the center console, the armrest console on this Vauxhall Meriva B. So this is the center console that you're going to have to deal with, you're going to have to remove. I've removed this gearbox thing, this gear knob, because I had to remove it. Someone else wanted to buy it, so I removed it for them. Your one's going to look a bit different to this. You're going to have your gear stick here, but this doesn't really matter. You don't have to move the gear stick to remove this. So what you need to do is you're going to have this little thing just underneath the gear knob. Remember, imagine the gear knob being here, and you just pull this out. But it gives you access to under here. Under here, you're going to have 2 bolts, some few screws, which I'm going to show you, and then we're going to pull it out. So grab your handles underneath here. Comes out just by pushing these. You can see how that works. Got some little caps here. Just got to undo the plug underneath there. See, it's a bit dirty under there. Must have had a dog. But yeah, you just unplug the plug underneath there. That'll get it out. You got 2 Torx screws, Torx 20, and you got them here and the other side. So now we've got 10mm. Moving this. So now we can take this out. And here. Yeah, there you have it. Bit dirty, but nothing we can't clean. We'll sort it out.